All right, let's do this.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. 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 Order submitted. cancelled. Order submitted. Order 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 filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Shout out to the subscribers. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
So, yeah, it depends on your definition. We did get up to 65. Yeah, that's always an interesting it's always an interesting
Order
Man, someone
canceled.
pointed out I'm 3 contracts deep on a 50K combine. Yeah, I forgot this was a 50K combine. Yeah, it's just a practice account. Don't. That's why I said there's the risk disclosure. You guys know that risk disclosure, right? There it is. There's that risk disclosure. I didn't notice. I thought, yeah. Yeah, there's one thing. Pay attention to the account size that you're trading. Whoops. Yeah, well, I'm in it now. Let's get this thing then. This is a 50K combine. Okay. All right, now I
Order
need to
submitted.
focus. I need to focus. If this is a refocus. Let's hold up. Let's focus. I need to focus on this. This is a 50K combine. I did. Oh man, let's take a look at this. All right. I still like this trade. I mean, I don't like it at this size of risk for this combine. I put that risk disclosure. Do not do this. This is very ill-advised. To me, this was a 150K account. So this would be how I manage risk and how I would manage trade on a 150K account. So this is a 150K account trade. I'm okay with, yeah, let me, yeah, don't, dang, whoops. So anyway, let me get to some more questions. I'm going to manage this trade while I'm in it. You guys could watch this. This one doesn't have the level 2 data. What's, okay, the max profit on this. Okay, let's see. Well, we'll just watch this. We'll see if I can manage this trade. I might just get out of it here soon because I didn't notice that. Okay. Is that why you guys were asking those questions? You guys were just like, look at this dude. What, he's just going all in on the Nikkei on this 50K account trade. That's why I'm getting all those questions in the chat asking me about position sizing on a 50K account. Yeah, that is why I was getting those questions. Let's, yeah, close your eyes. Don't think about this. This is a 150K account trading size. This is not a combine. This is a coach's account, slow markets, practice only. Okay, practice only. That's what this was. Anyway, that's why we do the risk disclosure. I mean, you can see how easy it is to get distracted when you are in a class. That being said, what was we talking about before I noticed that? Before I noticed this? On the 50K, you don't want to make more than 1,500 per day. Yeah, so let's do that. We don't want to make more than that. That's a little bit better than a 2-to-1 risk reward. If you're a new trader and you accidentally oversize, close the trade down immediately. Anytime you don't trade your plan, exit instantly. Love that. Full port. What's your take on 2 double tops on the 1 hour? As long as we are below and didn't make the next leg, I'm a bear today. Are you talking about
Order
the
filled.
NASDAQ? We'll go back to this. You're talking about you're bearish on the NASDAQ. Yeah, like I said, I am expecting a pullback, but we could easily break through and make an all-time high at any moment. We are actually pulling back quite a bit here on the NASDAQ. We had that nice run. It looked like we was going to maybe make all-time highs, and we didn't. We reversed, and here we are. Here we are. We're right back down to where we were, continuing to consolidate. But you can see 1 or 2 minutes, right? 1 or 2 minutes, especially at this time of night. Markets could move really quick. We'll watch this trade. We'll continue to watch in this trade. I mean, like I said, pretend it's a 150K account. That's what this trade is based off of. I'm not going to close it, but yeah. Oh, I'm not going to make any comments on what happened today in terms of FTT. I like I said, if you follow me on Twitter or Topstep or X, that is where I would make any comments. Like if I say anything or if I do anything, it's going to be like I said it there. I only made one comment about it, and that's all I'm going to leave it at. And it's more about how we want, especially me, I want 100% transparency. I'm always going to be pushing for transparency, pushing to, move the futures industry and the prop firm industry forward, right? Because that's what we want. We all want one thing. We want to be consistent at trading. We want to get good at trading. We want to be able to make money and then eventually be able to do that in a live account. And so, 100%. That's why I absolutely love Topstep is we get moved to a live account, trading a live account. And that's the ultimate goal, is because when you go through this whole process, you learn in a combine, right? Combine, simulated environment, safer environment. It's, lower risk because you're only, risking what you've paid for a combine. And then you have the ability to practice, process over profits. And then
order submitted.
If you start trading well, you pass the combine, you get moved to an express funded account, and then you can start taking a payout if you continue that consistent trading in an XFA, with the ultimate goal of being moved to a live account. Because to be honest, that's what we want. We want a live account. Me as a trader, you as a trader, is your ultimate goal is to make money in the markets, be consistent at doing it, and then be able to do it on your own, right? There's been some traders who've went through this process, who's taking and has taken payouts, and then took that money, opened up their own personal account, and has been pretty successful. And it's a beautiful thing to see. And that's, to me, why prop firms exist. Like Topstep is, traders who do not have a lot of money or even if they do have, the means, it's safer than just opening up a brokerage account and throwing your own money into the markets and then just, trading like that. So
Okay, so we're just messing around right now. We reached our goal of $200 for trading one contract. Okay, so like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I could just questions. I'm watching this. I'm watching this trade. You can see how the bid and ask. See we're at 560. See, there's a difference between market liquidity. It's slow markets. The market is up here at 560 now. Say 545. In last trade price is down here at 535. And so this is a good example. Okay, this is very much a good example, and what I like to see. And be able to talk about it, right? Because sometimes the last fill price is not exactly where you're going to get filled. And so when we're talking about these different market orders, and I'm going to use this as a good talking point for, for tonight, is if you market in, so you want to market buy, you're going to get filled at 555. 555. Now you're going to get filled at 560. If I market buy right now, I'm going to get filled at the ask. Okay. So this is a great example. If you market sell, you're going to get filled at 545. So that is a big difference. That's why it's very important to understand what market you're trading, how it trades, and how it trades at different times. So you might be seeing one thing on the price. It's saying 39.45. And if you want to buy it, if you want to just buy market, you're going to get filled at 560. You're going to get filled all the way up here. And with an instrument like the Nikkei, it's $25 per tick. That's instantly minus $100 because of the spread, right? And that's why whenever you hear us talk about spread, when you hear anybody on Topstep TV talk about spread or slippage or any of that, could you imagine a stop loss, right? My stop loss, 470. My stop loss is at 470 right here. And if this market just sells off, the next price I might not get filled, even though my stop loss says 470, I might not get filled until 450. Okay. Now this is just purely an example. And so if it says, hey, my stop order is at 470, my max risk is 950, no, it's not 100% guaranteed that I'm going to only lose 950. Yes, in a nice, very liquid market, you're going to lose 950. It's a market order, but sometimes there is that slippage where I might get filled at, 465, 460, depending on if there's a news event, depending on if there's something dramatic and how fast the market's moving. The same thing is on the NASDAQ. The same thing on every market. It's just at a different extent, right? As, yes, look, only ones and twos at the bid and ask right now at 55, 60 compared to some of these other markets. I'm going to go ahead and hold that up. We're going to trail this. I don't want to risk very much. Why risk very much? Does that make sense? I mean, that's a good example. I don't mind. Yeah, I don't talk about it every single day, but we have new traders joining us. But that's why almost every trade, when you mark it in, starts out negative. And that's the cost, right? That's why whenever I'm talking about statistics, okay, when I talk about statistics, a 50-50 win rate, you need just like a little bit over 50-50 for a risk reward and a win rate to be making up for commissions and maybe the spread. And that's why sometimes you could just get filled and some newer traders, that could be very frustrating if you don't understand that.
Order filled.
Yeah, hope that makes sense. Yeah. Those props I listed about, not talking about other props, Richard. So does this concern the fast markets or not? It's both. This is fast markets, slow markets. It's markets in general. During the New York session, when the markets are moving quicker, when there's a lot more orders going through, it's a lot more, quote, liquid, then yeah, it's not going to happen as much. The bid and ask is going to be very tight, right? Where if we take a look at, we was talking about let's take a look at the notes. Take a look at this, right? The note, I need to link it. Let's go to this and we'll do blue. Okay, now take a look at it. Now you can see the difference on here, right? Look how many contracts are at the bid and the ask. So when you buy market, you're not going to get filled all the way up, with that amount of slippage. This is a lot more of a liquid market, right? There's 2,000 contracts at the ask. And if you're going to buy 2 contracts at market, you're going to get 20, like this price, 102.270. And if you're going to sell, you're going to get this price. It's more likely. And then if you have a stop loss below it, right? If your stop loss is here and the market moves, you have a much greater chance at getting that price and having a lot less slippage based off of that. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? I don't cover it very much. It's just one of those things that I assume a lot of traders know or understand. And it's something that I do believe a lot of traders should know. It's like, I wouldn't say entry level. No question's a dumb question. Let's get that straight. Everyone's everyone starts somewhere, right? Somebody who's traded 20 years, when they first was learning about the market, they learned about that for the very first time somewhere. And some of that stuff is, it's small, but it's important.
Target filled.
Very, very small, or it can be very small, but it's another important aspect in trading. How many new people are in here tonight? I don't know. Let's do it. Let's see it. Who's new? Who is new? Do we have any new traders and new people tuning in for the very first time?
Order submitted.
Trigger, where's the NASDAQ going tonight? I talked about it a little bit. You never know where the NASDAQ's going. I did an analysis. Me, Richmond. Oh, we got a lot of new traders. Do a poll. I mean, I do a poll, and
Order
people, I mean, you
canceled.
can't trust them. Yeah, I don't. I don't know how much I trust polls because anybody could say I'm new.
Order submitted.
I'm trying to look at the usernames to see if there's usernames I've never seen before. So it's a lot better for me just to ask and see. See, yeah, I know some of you guys are saying I'm new, and I've seen you in here before. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a few new traders that I have never seen before. I mean, there's still a lot of traders in here. Trolls? Yeah. Jay, you missed it. The new account I'm testing out, Coach Jay. I'm 3 contracts deep in the Nikkei. Yeah. Thinking this was a 150K account, and I'm all in on this Nikkei trade. Only been trading futures for a little more than a year. Yeah, so what do you consider as new? A new trader could be a few weeks, right? You've only been trading a few weeks. Just 3, why not 5? Is max position 5? No, this was a typical trade on how I would trade at 150K. I at this point I wouldn't get in. You know what? I probably would have added a contract and then moved my stop loss to keep my risk the same, and then maybe add another contract, move my stop loss to keep the risk the same. But we'll see. Let's see if we get into a comfortable position and let this thing run. Yeah, someone says I'm a gambler. Tonight is a very good example of how to trade a 150K account. A very bad example of how to trade a 50K account. Coach Jay, you're short 2HG. DBA, what is the most amount of Nikkei trades contracts I've ever been in? The most contracts I've ever been in on the Nikkei was 30. I was in 30 Nikkei contracts. And it was doing the same thing, scaling into it, where the risk stayed the same, but my position size increased. Is 16 resets in a single day? Yes. More than one reset in a day can be an emotional decision. 30 contracts on the Nikkei. It's not okay.
Order
It's
filled.
all about perspective. 30 contracts on the Nikkei can be very, very big, or it could be a normal trade depending on your perspective. It depends on how you're getting into the trade, right? Because if you build a position with moving your stop loss just like this, you're not risking more, right? Your risk does not increase with your position size, only if you're moving your stop loss, right? Because if my stop loss is here versus here, and then I double my contract size, right? If my contract size is 6, my risk is still going to be like $700. Compared to right here, my risk is still $700. So it's about position size, okay? It's 100% position size and compared to what you're trading. Does that make sense? So you don't have to be risking more because you have a bigger position size. It really depends on your stop loss, right? Because maybe if this is a bigger account, 3 contracts is very small, and I could have my stop loss down here and my take profit further and say, yeah, this is a small position, right? Does that make yeah, I think I'm making sense. Maybe I'm not. So 30 contracts, I didn't have too much risk on that trade because I scaled into it. I want to see this break through these 65s. We're struggling to get above these 65. You can see over here on the DOM, 65s are sitting here at the ask. If we do break, I'm going to move my stop loss. You know, I might. Yeah, if we do break through 65, I'm going to move my stop loss to probably 510. Oh, we're getting close. Let's see. I want to see us break. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, talking about this, talking about Topstep Labs. So on Monday, okay, forms are over. On Monday is when we are going to be doing the giveaway. Monday is the official giveaway. So stay tuned. Monday is the giveaway for this Topstep Labs. This is the first one. And depending on how it goes, there might be more. So, like I said, depending on how it goes, depending on how I feel about it and how everything is, I could probably do more, right? I've committed to the VIP. This is one I wanted to see how it goes. The VIP is going to be the most important for me. And so, yeah, get excited. Monday is the giveaway. We've been doing the check-in link all week. It's, you know, it's closed. There wasn't one tonight. Sorry if I did say that, or maybe I said that incorrectly. But Monday is when it's going to be a giveaway. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to try and make it dramatic. I'm going to be making it as dramatic as I can. Because why not? Why not? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my risk. So I'm only risking 350, and so, you know, now could be a good time where I can add a couple contracts, right? I could add a couple contracts here if I wanted on maybe a retest or something. Yeah, I think there's there's 3 opportunities. There's 3 or 4 opportunities to get on into it. If you missed it, there's going to be more. Trust me, everybody. There's going to be more opportunities to, like I said, VIP sessions coming, or the VIP. What do we call it? It's not the class, but the VIP team is going to be coming out in January, and more to come. If this one goes good, then yes, definitely going to be. I'd want to do more if this one goes well. Here we go. We're at we're testing 590s for the ask. 590. There's 590. Let's go ahead. I'm going to mitigate some. I'm going to mitigate some of this risk. Let's see if I could get out at 590 at one of these. Let's see if it will let me now. Is that the time already? I mean, we have 5 minutes left, but I'm gonna go and let's see if I could get out of this trade. So let's see if I could get out of this one. So I don't mind staying a few minutes. I just want to get out of this one. Oh man, it didn't. We had the ask touch 590, but that was it. Back down to 60, 65, 55. So this would be an example where I would add right here. So if this was a bigger account size, I would probably add 2 more contracts and keep my risk at $900. Mark it out. Yeah, you can see where the ask was hitting 590, but there was no one there. There was no fills at 590. The ask was just there. That was it. And this is a very slow market. Very slow. Let's see. Coach Jay said he's short. He's short copper. Copper is a little more liquid. A lot more than the Nikkei. Man, copper has had one big rally. Look at that rally on copper. I like that short, Coach Jay. If you're still here, I really like your short on copper. We're up 5% in the last day, almost a day and a half. We're up 5% on copper. So I do like that short. I mean, look at this. Every time copper rallies, it has a decent sell-off. Biggest percent mover of the day today is copper. That's a good move. That's a great trade. I like that short. Where are you short from? I don't trade copper, but from a technical standpoint, you could like look. These rallies have been nice bounces to sell. Anything? I don't know exactly where you would get in at or how you look at triggers, but I'm guessing. Oh, let's see. If I was to guess, Coach Jay, I'm going to guess that you're short at 42 even. 442 even. Oh, wow. There you go. 442 even. See, that's what happens. I've known you and I've seen the way you trade so much. I could guess. That's weird. All right, let's see if I could get filled here, and then we could finish it off. 2 minutes left till class. I want to see if we could get filled. You guys could watch it. You could watch, and then you could see there is a difference. You don't always get the fill price. Let's see, 85. We could watch paint dry together. That's what this feels like. What does join ask and join bid do? Explain on spreads was awesome, by the way. So joining the ask and joining the bid is exactly what it sounds like. Okay. So when you click join bid, you're just putting a buy limit order at the bid. So if I join bid, it will put a buy limit at the bid, and the bid is 565. If I click join bid, it would say buy limit at 565. Boom. It would have just got filled because the ask got there. Does that make sense? Same with the join ask. If I put join ask, it put a sell limit at whatever price the ask is when I click the button. Right? Join ask, sell limit 565. Boom. That's what it would put. Join ask, sell limit. I mean, it depends on where it is. So sometimes it's easier just to like manually place it because sometimes the market's moving. Yeah, I like join bid, join ask. I do that rather than market orders. And now we're getting right back down. Yeah, let's do this. I'm going to join ask and I'll show you what it is. Let's see if we could get a little bounce back up to these 560s. I'll join ask and you could see it. You ready? So as soon as the ask gets to 560, I'll join it. Let's see if it does. If it gets there. I might just. There you go. Oh, 550. I don't want that one. We'll do 555. Do you see how it's showing up? Right? Join ask. And this is a sim, so it doesn't show, it doesn't go through. In terms of you don't see it go through it doesn't change the contract size. See, there's 2 contracts at the ask. There's still 2. It's a sim environment. If I do this in my live account, that 2 becomes a 3. Right? Does that make sense? There you go. Nothing's missed. I think I'm just going to let this one run. If I get stopped out, oh well. Minus 350. If not, I don't want my take profit all the way up there. I'll just keep it at, what do we say is on the we'll do 1500. Okay, there you go. 3 to 1. This is actually a 5 to 1 risk reward. If I just let this run overnight, which I think I might. So that's where I'm going to leave it off. I'm going to be on Fast Markets tomorrow morning. And yeah, good night, everybody. Take care. And remember, Monday is when we're going to be announcing the winners for that Topstep Labs. So till then, take care and see you later.
Target filled.
to understand to
Order submitted.
All right, it's gonna have to be it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.